why is that, they are not utilizing the rainwater from the day one? Because when they require so much of water, they are paying for the water and buying water or extracting the water from Mother Earth. Even at 10,000 square feet of roof area, just a small rainfall of 25 mm, you get 20,000 liters of, demineralized water, which is required for the construction without any this one. So from the day one, before they start, the construction or planning for construction, they should plan for rainwater harvesting, wherein all the water that is flowing from the site can be brought at a common point, sent to the silt traps, and then they can be reused. So I've not seen this happening anywhere. I don't know the reason for that. Rather people spend money on buying water and wasting this precious rainwater going out and causing flooding somewhere. So I think this practice of, before they start construction, they should plan for the rainwater harvesting in the lowest point of their building, where the gradients are there. They should channelize all the water, and they should reuse the water as much as possible. That will not only reduce their cost in the water, but also save the city from flooding.
There are few constraints to it. Actually, the plot sizes are small, and and it's all dug up, because at a project site, say if you are doing a 50-acre project and doing 20 acres of construction and you have a pond in it, yes, you can do that. Like in IIT Jodhpur, I was doing a project in Jaisalmer for army housing. What we did was, we made STPs first, and all the labors, there were 2,000 workers to be put up there. All their water was treated in the same STP, and we were recycling that water for the construction. As there is a question, yes, we were able to recycle that water. See, water for construction, the parameters for water for constructions are different from potable water. For drinking water, it's a different parameters. Water for construction, you have different parameters, where even you can have smell. If there's a small smell, you can use it. There are few chemicals which can't be harmful chemicals, which don't allow cement to take strength. They have to be looked for. So we were able to plan that construction around. But coming to all the construction, sir, we do construction, lots of construction happens at small projects, small sites, residential projects. There you can't wait for rainwater, have the rainwater trap. Again, the timeline of the construction, we have to construct within 6 months. And if no rainwater is happening, we can, what we can do is, we can't stop the construction. The construction has this own timelines. Right. Point number 3, I will tell you, by going for metered construction. Now, I will give you an example what we are trying to do in NCR. In NCR, especially in Haryana, they don't allow the water to be taken out within the project site. And what's happening is, the water, there is some villages around the construction areas. And in those villages, these laws don't apply of Municipal Corporation Gurgaon. They call it, the village lands are independent of those laws. So borewells are permitted there. So what those village people are doing, they're taking out the water from their borewells and they're supplying it to construction sites. Now, I'm trying to create this data of having lots of sites where I can showcase that, yes, sir, if I don't waste water, I need 50 liters per square feet of water at this project. Allow me to take the water, underground water, because if the water is being taken out, say 2 kilometers away from the project site, it's the same underground reservoir from where the water is coming and being transported to the site. It's adding to the carbon footprint of the project. So it's not, so that balance has to be maintained. So government should be allowing the underground water extraction or controlled water extraction. I will not be wasting water at my construction site. And there is a impending water bill, which I believe they will be taking up very soon, where all the industries who are using a certain million liter of water, they have to submit water theoreticals. How much water was ideally needed and how much water have you used? So this bill is pending in the parliament. I can share that, or you can Google and get the draft of that water bill also. It talks about all these things. And we as a construction industry, we are trying to get down to the point where you allow me to legally draw the amount of water I need and I don't waste that water. So